Welcome back, students. Let us solve another problem. So the problem is like the number of integer values of k for which one of the roots of the equation 2x square minus 8x plus k 2x square minus 8x plus k is equal to 0 lies in the interval 1 comma 2 and another root lies in the interval 2 comma 3, right? So you need to find the number of integer values of k, right? So please recall, so the location of the roots concept whatever we solved the other day. So it is like this. This is your f of x. So now what he says is one of the roots, this is alpha, this is beta. So one of the roots is between 1 to 2. So somewhere here we may have 1, somewhere here we may have 2. And another root, it is between 2 to 3. So somewhere here we may have 3, right? So between 1 and 2 you have one root, between 2 and 3 we have another root, right? So for this we can use the condition, one of the conditions that we discussed the other day, right? So what we discussed is the condition cycle right here. The first condition is d is greater than 0. D is strictly greater than 0. Why? Because two roots are at different positions. That means D cannot have, the equation cannot have equal roots. The roots must be distinct, right? So D is greater than 0. Now another condition is f of k1 into f of k2 should be negative. Okay, so this we need to incorporate both the cases. So that means I can first of all I will write d greater than 0. So d greater than 0, d is b square minus 4ac. So b square is a minus 8 whole square minus 4 into 2 into k is greater than 0. So 64 minus 8k is greater than 0. So means 8k is less than 64. So k is less than 8. This is one condition. Okay, and another condition, f of k1 into f of k2 is less than 0. So first of all I will take k1 as 1, k2 as 2. So f of 1 into f of 2 is less than 0. Please refer to the previous video where I have made the concept on location of the roots. Okay, so for this condition you can see. So f of 1 is, if I substitute 1 here, I will get 2 into 1 minus 8 into 1 plus k. Okay, and f of 2 into 4, 8 minus 8 into 2, 16 plus k is greater than 0. Now if I simplify this, I will get k minus 6 here and k minus 8 here, less than 0. So if I use wavy curve method once again, I have 6 and 8. Okay, so plus minus plus. So since it is less than 0, I need to consider negative range. So this range I need to consider. Okay, and strictly less than 0, that means k belongs to, from this k belongs to 6 comma 8 open interval. I hope you got it, right? And if you do for this, if you take f of 2 and f of 3, this side f of 2 and f of 3, for this also you will get the same thing. F of 2, you see, f of 2 we have already calculated, k minus 8, right? So f of 3 is 2 into 9, 18, 24 plus k is less than 0. So k minus 8 into k minus 6. So once again the same condition we will get. Okay, so here also we will get k belongs to open interval 6 comma 8. Okay, now if you compare these two, k is less than 8, so that means k cannot be beyond 8. Okay, and k must be between 6 and 8, and he is asking for the number of integer values of k. Okay, so what is the integer you have between 6 and 8? only one, 7. So k must be equal to 7. So he is asking the number of integer values. He is not asking for the exact k value. Please don't get confused, right? He is asking only for number of integer values. That means what is the number of integers? 1, only 1. The answer is 1, not 7. Okay, so please don't get confused, right? You'll get excited and you will write 7. No, he is asking for number of integer values. So the number is 1, only one value you have. Okay, thank you. I hope you understood.